In this video, we're going to learn how to enable loop playback, which means your timeline will automatically start playing again once it reaches the end. This is helpful when you want to repeatedly watch your edit without manually pressing play every time. Let's start. Go to the program monitor where your video preview appears. At the bottom of the program monitor, click on the wrench icon to open the settings menu. From the list, enable the option called loop. That's it. Now press play. When your timeline reaches the end, Premiere will automatically jump back to the beginning and continue playing. You don't need to set in and out points for this. It simply loops normal playback. If you want to stop looping, just click the wrench icon again and disable loop. This setting only affects playback inside the preview. It does not affect export or timeline content. And that's it. You now know how to enable loop playback in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.